What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the Melnor Sprinkler system. This is humongous, probably the biggest one I got yet, and that's what she said. Okay, so this bad boy comes in a whopping 14 inches. Let me try to get the top. Look at this. Look at that. 14 inches. This thing is humongous. All right, we are working with steel. This is steel. We are going to stick this in the ground about 6 inches in the ground. All right, so this came in one box. You only had this, and you had this little QuickConnect, and you have instructions. So on the channel, we'll do a quick look at the instructions just to see what's going on. All right, so even on here, it shows you the QuickConnect to put it on, so you could quickly connect it to your if you want to switch to whatever head you want to switch to. All right, so that's what these are basically for right here. So it didn't come with the QuickConnect adapter. You see this part right here? It didn't come with that adapter, so maybe they think that you have it already. So that's about it with that, and that's it. And you turn if you want to go to jet, full, mini, large, flat, fan, then back to jet. We are back on jet. All right, this is your range of motions. All right, it tells you the bottom should go to the left. Bottom, you turn left. The top, it has an arrow right here on the top. You turn that right. That sets your motions. Up here is the arrow on which function that you're using. And that's about it with this. Okay, so we have a couple scratches here, so I don't know if this was used or not, but I don't know. I'm kind of out of the range on the return policy if it don't work. So if it don't work, I'm out of, I think, $20 or however much I spent on it. I think it was $20. I'll post it right there anyway. So let's test it out. Now, let's see if we can find a softer area. Oh, we almost did it. There we go. Oh, I forgot. I gotta cap this off. I know somebody in the comments said put some Teflon tape. You know, that white tape that plumbers use to, seal the threads so it won't leak. But I'm just doing the demonstration right now, so don't kill me in the comments. Hey, you guys, put the cap back on because I'm not going to another sprinkler head right now, but y'all will see that pretty soon. Okay, so the arrow is on this side, which I don't want. So can I just turn that? No. Can I turn this? Okay. Yeah, that'll work. All right. So I want the water to shoot out that way. And I want my radius to be partial. All right. Now, let's turn it on. Right now we are in what mode? Can't see. Fan mode, flat. Let's go with full. So right now, let's back up a little bit. Get y'all in a good angle. Leave y'all like that. And let me turn it on. It was going all in the neighbor's yard. Hopefully they not mad. All right, now I got my angle. Now let me turn it back on. Okay. Almost hit the garden. Definitely hitting the sheds. Kick back into motion. I'm gonna be honest, this seems like a pretty nice sprinkler. Let's listen. Seemed like a pretty nice sprinkler. So from what I'm seeing, it could get about 25 foot for, I guess, the pressure of my house. That's another thing I need to do for y'all. I need to get a pressure tester, because some of these things are rated for a certain amount of square footage, but that is dependent on the pressure that's coming out of your house. All right. All right, so let's get into the nitty gritty. All right, that is fan. You turn the head right there. Now we in mist. Is that mist? Let me see. No, that's fan, sorry. This is fan mode. I'm not trying to make these long videos. That's large. Large looks like it gets a little bit further. Large looks like it gets a little bit more further distance. Fan. That's the fan mode. I guess if you just want to, oh, and it's coming back this way. So sorry if I got water on the camera. So fan modes are good for misting, and it kind of feel good because it's hot as I don't know what out here. Next mode is fan. Oh, I thought we was in fan. Oh, that's flat. Sorry, excuse me. This is flat mode. Now we're about to go to fan mode. This is fan. Flat and fan almost seems the same on this product. Some products you could tell the difference between flat and fan. All right, now let's go in jet. Is jet goes further than large mode. Let's see. Nope, it's about the same. No, jet look like is jet hitting the fence? Oh, jet look like it might be the winner. All right, full. Oh, full. Let's see if it hits the fence from here. Let's see if it hits the fence. Can you hit the fence? Can you hit the fence? Top of the fence? Third tier? Nope. That mode is mini. This is mini. And then we have back to large. So for what I see, large and jet is in competition. So that's it with the Melnor review. If you need to know anything else, let me know. That's the review for this. Like, comment, and subscribe.